welcome back. So I've been trying out all this concealer I own, and by trying out I mean a proper wear taste. I've been using this particular, all the concealers for 10 days, one concealer for 10 days and then different one. I've been wearing those concealers for 8 to 10 hours on daily basis, and basically to check what I like about this product, how it performs on my skin, and how it performs with different techniques and different products basically. So the point is, there are so many hyped up concealer in the market, and you might have bought one after your favorite YouTuber's recommendation, but sometimes those famous holy grail products seem to work for everyone on the internet but don't work for you. I know that happens. So what do you do if that happens? You find a way to make it work, right? After all, you have spent your hard-earned money on it. So the purpose of this video is to find a best way to use the particular product that you own. And if you already own that concealer and don't like this or like it, watch to find out if you can use it in any other way to suit your needs. And if you don't own any concealer that I'm going to talk about but looking for a recommendation, you may want to continue watching to see if this is the right fit for your personal issues. By personal issues, I mean hyperpigmentation, dark circles, stuff like that, not daddy issues.
Are you listening, girl?
NYX Born to Glow Radiant Concealer. Now this product has medium to full coverage, and I got this shade in medium olive, and I like this medium olive shade in drugstore product because if I compare this shade with this foundation shade I use with which is Perfect Warm Olive Undertone shade from Red Beauty, and you can see that NYX one is more in the cool side, and I don't see the shade as only warmer tone but cool undertone as well. Even though they do claim this product to be radiant, I don't feel any of the radiant coming through my skin. I just think this is just a matte concealer. This product has sponge applicator, which again I'm not a big fan of anything like that in a squeeze tube. Anyway, it's hard to control the amount that comes out when you squeeze it, but if you want something that is really high coverage, I'm just gonna go and say it, just buy it.